Hello, today we will guide you through how to set recurring transactions in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up a reliable template so routine expenses post automatically and consistently. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the correct company. On the top right of the screen, look for the gear-shaped settings icon. This menu is your control center for features that run in the background. Click the settings icon to open the menu, then choose recurring transactions. This page lists every template you've created, making it easy to review, pause, or update them later. Keeping templates organized here helps you maintain clean books and avoid duplicate entries. Next, click New to create a template. You'll be asked for the transaction type. Choose the kind of entry you want to automate. For this walkthrough, select Bill, since we're setting up a recurring vendor bill. You could also choose other types depending on your workflow, but the process is similar. On the bill template, select the vendor. This should be the supplier you pay on a regular basis, like for utilities, subscriptions, or rent. Make sure you pick the exact vendor name used elsewhere in your books so reporting stays consistent. If you use vendor-specific terms or account numbers, add a clear memo to help future you quickly identify what this bill covers. Now set the category. This is the expense account the cost should post to, such as utilities, software, or rent expense. Choosing the correct category is key for accurate profit and loss reporting. Avoid using a bank or credit card account here. Categories should point to expense or cost of goods sold accounts that reflect what you're actually paying for. Enter the amount. If the amount is fixed, type the exact total you expect each cycle. If it varies, consider leaving the amount flexible and using a reminder-style template so you can confirm the number before it posts. Add tax, class, location, or a memo if you track those details for reporting. If the cost should be passed on to a customer or project, use the customer field to associate it. This is helpful for job costing and billable expense workflows, ensuring the expense is easy to rebill later if needed. When everything looks right, click Save Template. Your recurring bill is now ready to run based on the template's settings, keeping your routine expenses timely and your books up to date with far less effort.